I will now proceed to do a demonstration of the delivery module in Learning Butler. So first, let's search for the restaurant. DB, select delivery, select an item itself, and do make payment. This is where you can actually key in your own address. So if there's a predefined address, it will be automatically entered. Any special instructions, coupon codes can be entered here. Delivery dates can also be set here. So if you do not select the delivery date, it will automatically be triggered as soon as possible. So there's also a minimum delivery fee which you can set in the admin, and it can change according to the distances. So later I'll show you the admin, but first we can send in the order. So they say they also need at least 30 minutes to deliver to you. So this is some of the requirements of the settings. So let's try to set 3 p.m. Then there's a few different payment modes. One is mobile, one is cash. You can select which one you want and send. So you can see we have a blue button that's for the accept all and the reject all. So if you were to reject this order, you can see that it has been rejected. The app or the browser will automatically receive this notification to tell you that. So once you're done, you just click here and they'll inform you again. So right now I'll do another order. So let me go to the cafe again. Delivery. Select the items. So now I'll do the A as soon as possible. Proceed to payment. Cash. Submit. So right now I'll do this order. So I'll accept first and clear. Then you'll come out a second time. The second time is for me to actually prepare because some orders are in advance, some orders are not. So for this particular order, the blue button previously you see for the accept all is for you to actually accept the order. The green button is for you to prepare. So I'll accept this and prepare the item. So now you can assign the driver to actually deliver the item itself. So you can choose this one, assign the driver, and clear. So once you've assigned the driver, you go to the history of the delivery. You can see there's a few statuses. So there's cancelled, delivered, on the way, and accepted. So right now, you can have the information of the diner. So like the name, mobile number, address, cash, payment, etc. So you can see just now we have assigned the order to Chuan Fu. So he's on the way currently. And this is the delivery management module in which you would use. So this is what he will see on his device. So the name is Daniel, mobile number, cash on delivery, the address. So once Chuan Fu has reached the destination, just need to press the confirm. Then indicate that full payment has been received. And if there's any remarks, you can write here. Or any reporting issues, it will be here. So once you're done, just click confirm. And it's done for the delivery. So inside the Diners app, you can see the statuses when it's at pending, when it's accepted, when it's on the way, or when it's delivered. Same goes for the history, delivery. You can see that now it's set to delivered. So these are some of the statuses in which you can keep track inside. So once this is the Diners app, this is the order management module for the restaurant to actually handle the orders. And this is the delivery module for the drivers of delivery guys to actually handle. So now I can show you the back end. So there's some form of configurations. So first you have to enable the delivery. Then the distance type can be a direct straight line for calculation, driving by Google Map or by walking. So if you also can choose not to enable the DMM, if you do not enable this, the items will be automatically set to delivered. So you will not need to actually use this. This is based on some restaurants' configurations. They prefer it to be off instead. Then you have your delivery charges based on the distances, how far and how much it will cost. Minimum amount for delivery, how far you can deliver to, your estimated delivery times, and whether you want to enable mobile or counter payment. So these are some of the toggles that you can actually use. So this is the entire flow for the delivery module. Thank you.